Alright guys, I've got some exciting news. We have an official discount code for Pedal Commander, which you'll probably see in the title. And just to give you a quick update on the Pedal Commander, it is mounted right here, very convenient. You can see it's set to city mode right now. And you'll have to watch my other installation video, but it's really easy if you go underneath here. There's a plug right there by the accelerator. Whoop. Sorry, it's hard to aim this thing and look at it at the same time. Right there. So there's a plug right there that it plugs in line with your accelerator pedal. So you'll just disconnect the factory connection and then plug the wiring harness in. And I like how it just comes up. The wire just comes up here underneath the dash, so it's nice and tidy. And it has the self-adhesive little bracket in here. If you wanted to remove it to prevent theft, you can pop it out of this little bracket and maybe tuck it down in here or something if you needed to. But it's all operated through Bluetooth, so you have an app that comes with it. It's a free app, and you can customize. Each different driving mode has 4 different customizations, so you can go a little bit more aggressive or easier. I keep it in city mode all the time, and I keep my regular driving mode in eco. I'm sorry, in normal driving mode. So I keep this one in city, and I keep my my factory selector in normal driving mode. So just the results. I've been using this for about 6 weeks now. I really enjoy driving the truck even more now. It's improved throttle response. And it's just a lot more power. Like, you can feel it. It's on demand. There's no turbo lag. There's no delay. It's really nice. I enjoy driving it. It changes the whole truck. Even with my girlfriend riding as a passenger, she noticed. She's like, "What did you do to the truck this time?" So, because I'm always doing upgrades on this thing. I haven't really done a lot of testing with eco mode, mostly because it's not very fun. It's really boggy. If you set this to eco mode and then you set your truck to eco mode as well, it's really boggy and slow. So I usually don't use that mode just because I'd rather pay a little bit more for gas and have a good driving experience. But anyway, I'm going to put the discount code in the description. This is a sponsored video. Pedal Commander did not give me this unit for free. I did pay for it, but afterwards they reached out to me and for a follow-up, for a review, and I asked them to get a discount code for my audience. So I'll put that, and I believe they're also having a July 4th sale, so it's like $60 off. So you'll save even more money than I did. So if you can use that code in the description below, that'll really help me out. Thanks a lot, guys.